Hello warriors, welcome to the HTML video series. This is the fourth video of the series, and in this series we will learn how to make our very first web page. Okay, so for that you have to make a folder named web development. Okay, I will suggest you to make this folder on the desktop so it will be easier to locate, and then open the web development folder. Then again make a folder named HTML. Okay, after doing this, close it, then open Notepad++ and open a Chrome browser. Okay, so set it like this. I have in the way I have set it on the monitor. Okay, so when you open the Notepad++ and the browser, so make some setting like this that you can see both the things at the same time. So you can write your code here and run it here. Okay, so let's get started. So let's write hello world. This is my first web page. Okay, so now let's save it. Let's name it as web page 1 and save as type. Select HTML. You can find it below the Haskell. Here it is written hypertext markup language file. Okay, so select it and then locate to the web development folder we had made and open the HTML folder, then save it in it. Okay, so you have saved your first web page. Now how to run it? Open the web development folder, open the HTML file, then right click on it and open with Google Chrome, and you can see that here you have written hello world. This is my first web page, and here it has been displayed hello world. This is my first web page. Okay, so if you want to apply some updates or some changes, so you can do it like here only web page, and you can write here thank you. Okay, so you can just save it, and then here you can refresh it. So you can say, you can just make the changes here and save it, and just when you refresh the page you can see the changes on the page. Okay, so congratulations warrior, you have completed the fourth video of the series, and also now you know how to make your own first web page. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned.